Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answer they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Ramona Hudson, 984, who asks us, can I ask what my employer's settlement amount is before I state my offer? Yes. So real quick, let's call your offer your demand. That's probably it's better to standardize these things so like we don't confuse folks when we talk about it. Plaintiffs make demands because plaintiffs are the ones bringing the case, right? Defendants offer because they're the ones hoping to get the case done, to get the case disposed of, right? So yeah, listen, you can ask what the employer's offer is before you make your demand. But 9 times out of 10, or even 99 times out of 100, defense counsel is going to say, what are you talking about? It's your case. Make your demand. You're the one bringing the case. So you bring the demand. And generally, they will refuse to make an offer. Now, sometimes they will. In very rare cases, those offers are generally very low. And they're generally meant to express that they're not taking you seriously, that they think your case is a nuisance value case, things like this. So you'll get offers of like $1,000, $5,000, stuff in that range. Don't misunderstand me. Sometimes those can be positional. They're signaling that although they would pay more, they want to end up, at a certain amount. Other times they'll be pretty open with you that like, hey, yeah, $1,000, this case is trash. That's all you get. And in those scenarios, they might be willing to make an offer first. Generally, though, you are going to be required to make your demand. This is something where many plaintiffs come to this industry thinking that making the demand is a disadvantage. It's not true. Make your demand. Set the tone. If your attorney, she or he knows what they're doing, they are going to be able to make that demand in a way that is beneficial for you and will help you in negotiations to end up where you want to be, or at least where your case is properly valued, right, in terms of hedging for risk and everything else. So, yes, Ramona, you can absolutely demand to hear what your employer will pay before you make a demand. You're free to engage in that behavior if you want. It will often not work, or at least not work the way you want it to, but you are free to do so. And what does it really cost you, right? Your employer is going to respond one way or the other. You might learn something, you might not. Generally speaking, though, I would certainly counsel my clients to open with a demand, a very rational demand, one that is crafted to get them where they want to end up. That is my suggestion. But yes, the answer is yes. You can demand to hear what your employer will offer first. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below, share the channel so it may grow. Thanks, everybody. I got to go drive to New York now. Take care.